snowing in the Netherlands. I wanted to show you all. I have a little bit flu going on, so that's why I sound a little bit weird, but well, it's not really bad, but it's not going away fast enough. So I'm still working on some stuff. The latest new thing that I'm working on is my TN digital kit, and yeah, I am starting to prepare some upcoming tutorials about that, because I really want to show what you can make with it, and I have so many ideas, but I will start off by making some basic stuff and simple stuff, and then yeah, we'll show you all yeah, in the end what I made. So we did move here about 5-6 months ago now, in the summer. It was in the summer holidays, and now we are getting used to this home, and we have really nice neighbors. They say hello, they make conversation, and they are really nice people, so I'm really happy about that. Only the shops are a little bit far away. I have on the across the street I have second-hand shop, but that's really nice. I go there at least once a month, but not in the beginning I went every day, but even if it's cheap I always see something cute, so so I stopped doing that because I have already a lot of books, and I always look at books. So yeah, it's really snowing hard for the Netherlands. Yeah, sometimes we go a year without snow, or one day of snow, and we did notice that the air was getting much colder. So I told my daughter yesterday I thought it was going to snow, and then also the sky was turning a little bit orange later, so that's also a sign, or pinkish something, yeah. So I will begin my tutorials really soon, and I want to make more videos. This is my new New Year's resolution. I never do something like that, but yeah, I just want to make myself do it, because when I make videos I like it, but to start and the preparation, sometimes after, when I'm done designing and printing and preparing, I have a little bit of a period of time that I am just tired, I think, or yeah. So, and then I get sick, and yeah, so my body is telling me that I work too hard, probably. But that's the problem when you do something that is really fun, and I want to get it out because it's in my head, and then I want to get it out. So this is really nice. I'm going one floor up, and then show you the view from my art room. So our art room, my daughter and me, and as soon as I have the tutorials a little bit going, I'm also working on my home. I think I want to show you a little bit about that, and then when I'm fixing up my art room, I also want to show something about a little bit about that. That seems to me to be a lot of fun to show. So how I tidy up and organize, because I'm not really organized. My desk is now a little bit organized, but yeah, the rest, the floor, I have a little bit of space to walk. So it's really gotten bad, because every time something is broken or something, I'm not ready. From the other room, we clear the other rooms, and then it goes into that room, because that's the room that we are not sleeping in. So it's a sort of the spare bedroom that became the art room, because it has more windows all around. We live in a building that looks like that, the upside of that, so it's sort of a towery like building. Yeah, a home, a really nice home we found here in Dordrecht. So this is the place where I was born also, so I'm in my hometown, where I grew up, and I did get used to it fast, and it feels really safe also here to live here. I know all the neighbors, almost all the neighbors. They are also, they are live and let live, something like that. That's sort of a saying here in the Netherlands. You watch out if something is going on. For instance, there is older people are living here, and we keep an eye out for them, but we are not interfering. So that's called bemoeien in the Netherlands, and we're not doing that. But when we think something wrong, we go and check. So it's the good neighborly thing to do. So almost everybody is here like that. So they don't say, "Oh, I saw your window, your curtain are closed all the time. Are you depressed or something?" And well, I sometimes, when I have the flu, or I am having a period that I'm a little bit sick, yeah, then I will close my curtains a little bit, because the neighbors across the street can watch into my home. But here they don't do that. They just ask, "Are you okay? And is everything going okay?" "Yes, everything's going fine." My other room, so from upstairs. Now you can see all the white roofs, and there you see the towers. That's the same home that we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each street. There's one in the beginning and one at the end. So just one of there. You see them all. So in the distance, in a row. So that's where I live, and this is my street. So these are my neighbors. They are really close. So now, not to make you dizzy, I will keep my hand in front and then go to the art room to show you. Wait, I will stop filming and then show you my art room. From my art room. So this is where we put our bins over there for the garbage bins. For instance, the green ones and recycle bins, and we put them on the side of the street and they will pick them up. So I always wait until they are full. So this week, you see those children with the sled. with the daddy and the mommy. That's so cute. The streets are getting black already, so now it's a little bit later in the day. Yeah, this is the roof from my neighbor, downstairs neighbor. So this, these are new boxes. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I found them in the second-hand shop when we first moved here, so those are empty because I still have to reorganize my my art room. This seems to be the latest, the last thing we have to do in this home, almost. This is the other view, but then one story up now. So this is the home on the upside of the street, the same. It looks like where I live, so we have really a wide view. And this is my desk over here. So I have my, here always where I put my camera with a rubber band. I fasten it, lay it flat, and then wiggle a little bit until I have a little bit of more. Yeah, I noticed that my camera is flashing because of the light. When there's more light or I'm moving, then my camera starts to flash. So I already put some stuff on my desk. These are embellishments, sort of tag tassels, that's what I call them. So that's what I make. Let me show you. On the side of my TNs. So that's what I will start with, to show you how to make these simple embellishments to put on the side of your, especially when you have a tall TN. I think it looks really cute. And then of course I included a heart, so because Valentine's Day is coming up. And this one was a misprint, but I still used it. So, and also we'll start with my mini pocket and folder TN. So, and then first I will start with the embellishment, and then I don't know if I will do that in one video, but I will try and do my best. So I will see you soon, and we'll show you the view, and I will see you really soon. So I just wanted to make a video because I want to make videos a bit more regularly, so that you know what to expect. That to me will be for you to reassure that I am making videos. And I'm really working on it, even when I'm sick. So even when I'm not making videos, I'm busy and my mind is always going. It's always on the go to come up with new things, or to come up with fun things to show. And this is really a nice view, isn't it? I really love to live here. I don't like the stairs, but I really love the view, so I will take the stairs then. So I will say to you all, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel, and for the likes and for the comments, and I will definitely see you in the next video. And then I will be making a tag tassel. That's what I'm calling them. I have to call them something. And I thought that sounded really nice, tag tassel. Yeah. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Doei. 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 Doei.